Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Better Lettering. Today I wanted to show you another spread that is new for me in my 2019 Scribbles That Matters bullet journal. Now I'm sure I've said this in other videos, but I chose the Scribbles That Matter because the paper quality is great. It has numbered pages, it has an index, it has 2 bookmarks, it has a pen holder, it has a pen test page in the back, and a pocket. My other favorite notebook is a Limoam. But it does not have numbered pages and no index. The pages are thicker though. One other reason why I chose the Scribbles That Matters this year, or at least for the next 6 months, is that the pages are whiter than the Limoam. The Limoam has more like ivory pages, and I just really like the white. Anyway, enough of that. I chose to do this spread because for the new year, our pastor did a sermon on this, 20 things that wealthy people do. And I would say this is wealthy or successful people. I guess it depends on how you define success. Anyway, he did a sermon on this. The statistics and everything were originally by Dave Ramsey. Might not be on his website anymore, but if you just look this up, you can see it. Also, originally, this is wealthy people versus poor people, so it has statistics on both. I did not include the verses, I just did what wealthy people do because it's a lot of writing and I didn't think I'd have enough room. So, with that being said, I really like this spread because it's a way for me to look back when I'm creating goals and be like, okay, does this align with what this page is telling me? Not that it has to align like 100%, but this is actually really practical things within this, and I just thought it would be a really cool design anyway. So I hope you enjoy this. If you have any questions or anything, you can comment below. Thanks. I end this video, I just wanted to read these out loud in case you have trouble reading them. I did put this in sped up form. I think it's like 9x, so it might be kind of hard to read. So the 20 things that wealthy people do. Number 1 is 70% of wealthy eat less than 300 junk food calories per day. Number 2, 80% of wealthy are focused on accomplishing some single goal. Number 3, 76% of wealthy exercise aerobically 4 days a week. Number 4, 63% of wealthy listen to audiobooks during commute to work. Number 5, 81% of wealthy maintain a to-do list. Number 6, 63% of wealthy parents make their children read 2 or more nonfiction books a month. Number 7, 70% of wealthy parents make their children volunteer 10 or more hours a month. Number 8, 80% of wealthy make happy birthday calls. Number 9, 67% of wealthy write down their goals. Number 10, 88% of wealthy read 30 minutes or more each day for educational or career reasons. Number 11, 6% of wealthy say what is on their mind. Now this might seem a little bit weird because it's like different than the rest, but then basically it's just a higher percentage of poor people say whatever is on their mind, so it's just mindfulness and watching what you say. Anyway, moving on. Number 12, 79% of wealthy network 5 hours or more each month. Number 13, 67% of wealthy watch 1 hour or less of TV every day. Number 14, 6% of wealthy watch reality TV. Number 15, 44% of wealthy wake up 3 hours before work. Number 16, 74% of wealthy teach good daily success habits to their children. Number 17, 84% of wealthy believe good habits create opportunity luck. Number 18, 76% of wealthy believe bad habits create detrimental luck. Number 19, 86% of wealthy believe in lifelong educational self-improvement. And lastly, number 20, 86% of wealthy love to read. Now, when I originally heard this sermon, our pastor had also put in scripture references that went along with these, because so many of these are actual like biblical truths or just practical biblical wisdom, and so he kind of correlated it to the Bible. I did not get a chance to write all the scripture references down because I had my daughter with me, so I will probably go back and listen to that and then add those in, because I really would be interested in having all of those in here as well. And if you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you could thumbs up it. I always love your comments and I try to reply to each one. So if you're not already subscribed, you can also subscribe to my channel. I like to put out bullet journal videos and lettering videos, and if there's any other videos that you're interested in, let me know, because I'm always looking for ideas. And maybe just comment below your favorite spread in your bullet journal this year. Thanks for watching, guys.